that's a wrap for today. We got what we think we can race, and then take what we learned today, make some notes, see what happens in a couple weeks, and then come test again.